All right, here's an update for the weekend. We got started Friday night. We did the caliper paint. We got a G2 caliper paint kit online, a little bit more than 50 bucks. Painted those up on Friday, let them dry Saturday. We went to a car show, Cars and Coffee at the church, and Jackson suggested that, hey, we should enter the Exo truck into Cars and Coffee next year. And so I was thinking like springtime, we'd have this thing pretty much wrapped up, or at least to the point where it would be street legal. So yeah, we can make that a goal. Don't want to make it an obligation, but I think it's feasible. So we've done the brakes, calipers, rotors, pads, all that good stuff. We still got to do the fluid, which we'll do next weekend. That'll be really quick. Like I mentioned earlier, we did inner and outer tie rods, and we did those end links on the sway bar right there. So after that, we'll be moving to engine and transmission stuff. So not doing the manual swap yet. We'll do automatic, make sure everything's running, get it street legal, papered, everything good. And then we'll probably do the manual swap after that. So this is next. I'm gonna take the intake manifold off of that guy, put the headers, put everything onto this engine, attach it back up to the transmission, drop it back in. Talk to you later.